All right, so let's go ahead and bring in Queen City News Chief Legal Analyst Khalif Rhodes. And Khalif, you were saying that once a juror is chosen, it is very rare for them to just be excused.
I mean, the process to get there is extremely hard, right? You got to go through all those questionnaires. You got to go through questions from the attorneys. And then you get to actually be sworn in. Extremely rare. But we started off this trial. The judge said it was important to protect the integrity of the identity and not let that out of any of the jurors. So the attorneys couldn't keep the names. They had to destroy them at the end of the day. They couldn't have pictures. It was a lot to protect these people's identity. But this juror felt like, listen, I'm getting text messages. People were saying, hey, I think that's you. Is it you? She felt like her life was in danger, and so the judge removed her. And the judge went on to say, today, we lost a very good juror because of this, because you guys overstepped, because you did more than you were supposed to do, because the media, he blamed, was being overzealous in their approach to try to get more info on this case. Now we lost someone that could have been an excellent juror on this trial.
And the big clue was employment status and even where they were employed.
Yeah, I mean, those questions were in the questionnaire, so the judge ruled that that would be taken out of the questionnaire. Questions 3A and 3B, where you work, who you work for, will be removed. But also, something the judge did today that I thought was limiting. He said that the press cannot even report on those types of things, on descriptions. And I think he may have overstepped in that situation. Well, I think Judge Merchant's done an excellent job moving this case along. I think that he may have overstepped in terms of what the Constitution allows. The freedom of press is something that we have a very, very big protection on, specifically a First Amendment right. If you're in court and you're watching it happen, you have an obligation to report on it. For you to limit that, I don't know if the law supports that.
Well, this case gets more and more interesting. Do you think that this one juror being excused will maybe have an impact on other jurors who've already been seated, who they might say, maybe I should rethink this and maybe I can't be unbiased?
On day one, when we came back, folks raised their hand and said, look, I originally said I could do it. Now I think I can't. I think once you've been seated, you're not coming out of that box because you've made it through that process. But I do think it will play a part into other folks that are brought in the room, the other batch of 96. When they come in, they're saying, do I really want to be here?
Okay, well, so what do you think happens next with all this? Because we still don't, now we're down a juror, right? So we had 7 and now we have 6 again.
Right, normally you're like, okay, we went from 7 to 8. You don't go backwards. And so what I anticipate is the judge will tighten the reins within the room and attempt to tighten where he can legally the reins on the media. But ensuring that you have a good quality jury, I still think it gets done this week, which before I didn't see it happening, but they're moving lightning fast.
This week, not 2 weeks like they
No, I think
planned.
it gets done this week because they're at 7. They don't need that many more. As long as they continue with this pace, they'll be done.